Hello and welcome to another video of a unique car model. So what do you have today? We have something very interesting. Let's see. Actually the car came with no box. I bought it from somebody. So let's see. This one is Lexus and it's SC430 and this is 118 with very nice details. What I really like about this car is the details, and I have a surprise for you. It's regarding the details, but let's have a look around first. So the car is nice and elegant design wise, and since this is 118 scale, so you can find working steering wheel, which is good, and doors are open with very nice details inside, as you can see. So you can see the Lexus logo, you can see all it's not bad details. Second thought, it's not this much details, but it's not bad details as well. Doors are having several colors. And how about the engine? Let's have a look here. Engine actually opens like this. Let's see if we can get some light here. Yeah, it's so tight. But anyways, let me try this one here. Oh yeah, here we go. Engine details. Very cool. Very cool. And this is the engine. Alright, so what is the surprise? Okay, this is how I love this car once actually I saw it. So this is the back, and let's see what do we have here. I'll show you. This is like this. It's kind of fiddly, but man, this is also out here, as you can see, and this is back here. There we go, and voila! That's it. And here we go. There we go. So if it is rainy, just cover the car. Other side. So it's a unique car because details level is more than other cars, especially with the cover here. Let's try to put it back. So let's see. Oh, very nice. This one is up and this is going like this, and this is here and this is there, and put it back, everything in place, and close it, and here you go, convertible again. And I love it. I love this car. I love this car. Maybe the design is not unique to actually show it in my channel, because I only like unique stuff, but this is what is unique about it. So that's the end of this video. I hope you like this unique detailed car from Lexus, and see you next time.